In this video, we're going to be covering the in clause. And we've previously seen a little bit with the in clause from week 1. The in clause is a good way to mimic an or statement with a lot less code. So over here where I say select star from DVD, where DVD title equals Seventh Voyage of Sinbad, or DVD title equals Animaniacs Volume 1, or DVD title equals Paranorman. Well, you guys know what I should get when I run that by now. We get 3 DVDs matching those 3 titles. A quicker way of writing this, or a different way of writing it, is we can say select star from DVD where DVD title in, and we have to pass it a comma delimited list. And it doesn't have to be 3, it could be 2, it could be 1, it could be 1,000 elements in this comma delimited list. But it basically produces the exact same results as doing the ORs. It's just a different way to write it. But there's another way we're going to expand upon the in clause to do some other interesting things with foreign keys. So let's go ahead and look at a case here, and let's for the moment pretend we're like Netflix or Amazon or some hosting place where we need to get rid of a genre of DVDs. And if you look at that DVD table, you'll see that there's a column called genre. And for the moment, let's pretend I want to get rid of all of the silent genres. Well, let's start off by saying, let's select star from DVD where genre is silent, just so we can see what we're going to lose. And it works out to 1,048 DVDs. You can see here they are all silent. And in order to delete them, the first thing you would think of doing is writing a statement that looks like this. Delete from DVD where genre equals silent. However, this is actually going to cause an error. And I want to run this so I can read the error and then show you why it's erroring out. What it says here is we cannot delete or update the parent a foreign key constraint, and that's my database name, but it's the user DVD table has a constraint on the DVD ID. Well, let's go ahead and look at that, let's see, user DVD table over here. And you see here there is a relation between the user DVD table and the DVD table, and it is on DVD ID. And of course, if we have a relationship between 2 tables, it goes from this table to the table that has the foreign key, sorry, the primary key as the column we're referencing. So if I was to look at the DVD table here, user DVD, sorry, and click on relations, there's that relation. And remember, the way we read this is if I insert into user DVD table DVD ID, that value must already exist in the DVD table, DVD ID. Well, the other way to look at it is I can't delete. Sorry, this is not DVD, this is vehicle. Let's scroll over. Here we go, DVD. I cannot delete DVD IDs from here if they already exist here, meaning if the number 123 was here, I can't delete that from this table unless I delete all of the 123s over here. And how to do that, we can actually use the in statement with a subclause, with a subquery. So what I'll do is, first I'll write a select statement. And the rule is, I'm only going to select one column. So here I'm going to select the DVD ID from DVD where genre is silent. Now ideally what I want to do is say delete from DVD, user DVD, where DVD ID equals 20, and then run it for 549 and 551 and so on and so forth. Again, though, there's 1,000 of them. What we can do is put that inside of parentheses and then say delete from user DVD where DVD ID in this value. What SQL will do is take all of these rows, all of these DVD IDs, and form them into a comma delimited list. So what we end up doing is this becomes a list of 1,048 numbers, and then it runs just as it would a normal in statement. We're going to delete from user DVD where DVD ID in that list of all those numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and run this, and it'll take a moment, and it actually deletes, I'm going to say almost 4,000, yep, 3,800 rows. Because although we only had 1,000 DVDs, a lot more people owned multiple copies of them. But now when I go back and say delete DVD where the genre is silent, now this runs without an error. And the reason is this statement here removed all of the user DVDs, meaning all the places where this DVD ID relates to a DVD ID here where that genre is silent. So, in the lab, you are going to have an example, exercise to do something like this. Do not disable the foreign keys. That is not a valid option. Once you create a foreign key, and let's say we're in production, meaning people are using the system, multiple people, you never want to disable a foreign key because you may not be able to re-enable it. You need to learn how to work around the structure without changing it. So never disable the DVD. Go ahead and make sure you run a statement like we have up above using the in clause and then a subquery.